When I think of love during the pandemic, I think of the love that my grandmother gave me, who unfortunately fell ill because she contracted COVID inside the hospital. But I think of everything that she taught me, everything about my culture. And so this poem is for her, and for anybody who has a grandmother or elderly person who has contracted COVID. La sangre llama, Grandma says. Her accent is one of the last sounds left. 50 years of cold city living got her reminiscing of a warmer place. Maybe that's why she likes to spend so much of her time in la cocina. This is her time capsule. Childhood memories come back to her every time she sprinkles seasoning. Here she offers advice con sabor. Sol sofrito con amor. En la cocina is where Abuela sits next to the window of our third floor apartment. I could swear she was looking at the city's snow-covered rooftops like they were the rolling green mountains of Adjuntas. The window in our tiny cocina overlooks an alley, a gallery of hood stories where she would see Tony and George playing the art of catch, Jessica and Lucy playing tag, and Andy hunched over the dumpster doing the junkie dance. Oye, ven a comer. The mornings were strong, like coffee. It was her sunrise ritual to awake the senses. A can of Bustelo sits next to the stove while she has her pan con mantequilla. The afternoons brought bacalao frying. The sizzles sounded like a crispy ocean. Abuela plays music while she washes dishes. The faucet sounds like a waterfall. Salsa is dripping from the alarm clock radio. She dances with the mop. Abuela's cocina is where I learned how to speak Puerto Rican, sofrito, pilon, malanga, yuca, machuca. And I wait patiently for my food.